Hi all, welcome to another video session. So we have another problem from Leetcode. This is a medium type problem and the problem statement is immediate food delivery to. In this particular problem we have a delivery table in which the delivery ID is the column of the unique values of this particular table, that means the primary key. And the table holds information about food delivery to customers that makes orders at some date and specify a preferred delivery date on the same order date or after it. If the customer's preferred delivery date is the same as the order date, then the order is called immediate. Otherwise, it is called scheduled. The first order of a customer is the order with the earliest order date that the customer made. It is guaranteed that a customer has precisely one first order. Write a solution to find the percentage of immediate orders in the first order of all customers rounded to 2 decimal places. So in this particular table, right, if I expand this a little, in this particular table, if you just see, we have various customer IDs, same customer IDs we can have, and we have these various order dates, okay, and the customer preferred delivery date. So if the order date equals to that of the customer preferred delivery date, then definitely that will be our immediate date, okay, while the rest of them it will be scheduled. So we need to find out the percentage, simply the percentage of the immediate by the total number of transaction. That's the only thing that we need to do. Okay, so if you look at let me see if there are any constraints. On the same order date, and it is saying the earliest order date that the customer made, it is guaranteed that the customer has precisely one first order. So for all the first orders of all the customers, okay, so every customer will have its first order, right? First order means the earliest order date. So we can simply find out the earliest order date. How we will find it out? We can simply assign row numbers, right? We can simply assign row numbers and we can order them we can group them by customer ID and we can order by the order date, right? So let us do that. So select everything, comma, and I will be using a window function, that is row number, okay, and over partition by the customer ID and then order by the order date. Okay, this is order date, and let me name this as RN from delivery. Okay, if I run this, then I will get all the row numbers assigned grouped by the customer ID. Okay, so if I go ahead and if you just see, then for customer ID 1, right, you see customer ID 1 has been grouped, 2 has been grouped, 3 has been grouped, and for every customer ID you can just see that we have this particular order date in ascending order, right, where the RN is 1, then 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so group by I have done it through customer ID, and now what I need to do, wherever my RN value is 1, I need only those in my data set. Okay, and using that we will be calculating the percentage. Okay, so how we will do that? Let me store this in a temporary table. Okay, so with temp as, okay, and here what we will do, we will say select the sum. Okay, and within the sum what we will do, we can use case statement, case when my order date, right, when my order date is equals to the customer, let me copy this from here, is equal to the customer preference date, delivery date, then it will be 1, else it will be 0, and then we can end it. We will multiply this by 100 and then we will divide this by the count of the customer ID. Okay, you will thus divide it by the count of customer ID, and then what we will do, we have to round it to 2 decimal places. So round it to 2 decimal places, and then we will name this as immediate percentage, correct, immediate percentage from the temp table where my rn value is equals to 1. So that's it. Let me see if this runs successfully. It has accepted. Let me submit this. Yes, so it has given me a runtime of 629 millisecond. It has beaten 74.34%. So this is a pretty efficient solution. If you really enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.